Hello friends, it's Miss Childers. We are going to do some listening and word sound playing fun, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to delete a sound from a word to make a new word. So I want you to listen to the word leg. Leg. You hear that? Now, when I take the ol off of leg, I get egg. That's right. So if I go ol egg, if I take that ol off, I just get egg, okay? So I want you to listen to this one. Belt. Belt. You hear that? If I take the t off, I get bell. Very good. All right, are you ready to play the game? All right, here we go. I want you to say the word flips. Flips. Good. Now we're going to take off the the f. We're going to take off the f. What do you get? Lips. Very good. So on the back of the card, I'm going to show you. Before I said flips, I had an F here. So I took that F off, and now we just have lips. Very good. All right, here's the next one. Clock. Clock. We are going to take the k off of the beginning. Did you get it? Lock. Very good. Clock, if you take the k off, you get lock. Very good. All right, the next one is snail. Snail. We're going to take the s off of it, the beginning. Did you get it? Nail. Very good. Snail. If you take the s off, you get nail. Very good. All right, try this one. Pant. Pant. We're going to take the t off of the end. Pant. What do you get? Pan. Very good. You get the word pan out of the word pant. Very good. All right, let's try this one. Tent. Tent. We're going to take the t off of the end of it. Tent. 10. So we took the t off of the end of it, and that made the word tent. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to blend some vowels, some short vowels, with some consonants. So when you put two consonants together, they kind of sort of make a blend in a sound. So let's take a look at number one. We have S and N. So we have S, N, Sn. Good. Sn, ip, snip. Very good. Let's try S and L. S, ol, sl, s, ol, sl. And then we have our ip. Slip. Very good. Let's try our CL. K, ol. It's going to go cl, cl, cl. Very good. Cl, ip, clip. Good. And then we're going to have our FL. F, ol, fl, ip, flip. Very good. Sometimes the blend of consonants is at the end of the word. So right here we have an N and a D, okay? And that sounds like nd, nd. So let's sound this one out. Send, send. Very good. Let's do an N and a D on the end of this one too. You ready? B, e, nd, bend. Very good. Our consonants right here blends is ST, st, st. Last, last. Very good. And we have another ST, past, past. Very good. All right. So number 3, we have FL, app, flap. Good. Oh, there's FL again. ip, flip. Good. And this one we have st. You ready? St, op, stop. And right here we've got st, st, ick, st, ick, stick. Very good. All right. So I'm going to highlight these blends that I see, and I'm going to give you a moment just to try to think about what they're going to sound like. Okay? Let's prepare our mouths to what they're going to sound like. Okay? So we're going to do this one. What's SL going to sound like? Sl, sl. Okay? What about SP? Sp, sp. Good. ST, that's on the end of the word. St, st. Good. And ND, nd, nd. All right, are you ready to sound them out? This is a whole sentence. Look, I've got a capital letter at the beginning, and I've got a period at the end. That tells me there's a sentence there. Let's read it. The sled, sled, sped, sped, past, past, the pond, pond. Good, let's read it again. The sled sped past the pond. Very good. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to look at two pictures. You have this picture right here and this picture right here. All right, now remember, when two consonants are put together, they're called a blend, okay? So we're going to do ST, 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 SP, 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 SL, 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 SN, 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 and ND, nd, nd. Okay? We're going to be comparing words with consonant blends and words without consonant blends, okay? So let's learn some words that look and sound almost the same, but they have very different meanings. It's important to look at every letter in the words when you read, okay? So let me get my marker. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We have the word. What word is this? Stop. See that word? All right, now, these two words have only one sound that's different. Look. Look at that. I took the S off. So this one says st, stop. And this one says t, top. Say stop. Say top. Now, the middle sound is what? Ah, ah, ah. What's the ending sound? P, p, p. Very good. So they have the same middle and ending sounds, okay? What's the beginning sound of stop? St, st. And what's the beginning sound of top? T, t. Yeah. So top has the beginning sound t, t, and stop has the beginning sound st, st. Okay? So top has a letter T but no S. Okay? T, t, t. Stop has the letters S and T at the beginning. What are the sounds? St, st, st. Good. All right. I don't know why we needed the hand there, but we don't need the hand anymore, okay? All right. Are you ready to speed read? Oh, yes, it's that time. Are you ready to speed read? Here we go. Ready, set, read. Because, just, play, pick, play, pick. Because, just, pick, play, just, because, pick, and play. Grown-ups, I want you to pause it here, and I want you to practice picking the words at random to try to speed read these words. Happy reading, readers!